Yep.
Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera. As always, it's Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this is a 1999 Ford SVT Cobra. It's got 320 horse, so 320 foot-pounds of torque. It's got a 5-speed Tremec. It is white, obviously. It has got the nice, beautiful wheels and beautiful braking system. Let's open this door and see how gorgeous it is. Ooh.
It's in very nice condition.
17,000 miles, is that what you told me, Jake?
17,080 right now, and probably be 17,090 or so. By the time we're done. Leather seats.
It's got lumbar, it's got the power seats you showed me that's in the front of it, just like the 2003 we drove earlier.
Power button there, and then there's a power button on the front for forward and backward.
We have new cameras, and Jake can really zoom in now, so it's kind of cool. We can point out even the little stuff, and he can get it there.
I know.
We have this beautiful trunk with the beautiful original everything. I mean, it's just so nice.
Got the floor mats back here. Very nice carpeted trunk. The struts are brand new.
Oh yeah, they're brand new.
Really got to put some force into the trunk to put it down. Very nice.
It's like the wheel you're spinning on Price is Right.
Nice SVT badge down here. Dual exhaust, of course.
Oh, I have never noticed that. It's got a Cobra little sticker right there on the seatbelt.
Oh, look at that.
I never saw that before.
You don't get that on the normal Mustang.
No. Probably get a horse or something.
Nice door panels. The interior is basically the same as you would get in a GT. Not a whole lot is different. Maybe the white-faced gauges could be a Cobra thing. I'm not entirely sure. They do look very cool. It does say Cobra on the wheel as well. So I'm sure that's another thing you get. But I mean, you got normal-ish interior in here.
My goodness. This is the cleanest engine I ever saw. And it is a little beast. It's a 32-valve dual overhead cam, crazy engine, and it's just fast.
And it has the name of the person that built it.
Oh, nice. So you can call them and ask them questions at home.
Right there. And you got the Cobra on top of the intake, of course.
I like where the alternator's at, isn't it?
Looks awesome. Yeah, right in the middle.
It's like right now. I've never seen it before. I guess it's for balance.
Yeah, I know. This is a massive engine. It's very wide compared to the normal modular 4-valve.
Yes.
Or sorry, not 4-valve, a 4.6 liter. I think it's 2-valve per cylinder, that one.
I believe, but this one's just a monster.
Yeah, way more power. That one, the 2-valve per cylinder engine is what, like 265 horse? It's not very much.
It's in the
might be a little more, 280 something.
Like 320.
320 torque.
Oh, just noticed that. It's funny the stuff you notice that you really don't pay attention to sometimes.
There's Cobra there under the hood. Yeah, this is kind of a sleeper because from the outside, just kind of looks like the Mustang. But like just a GT or maybe even a V6, but when you drive it and you see the wheels that say SVT, the alloys.
Well, let's take this white beauty out.
Yeah, I want to hear it.
The headlights are cool.
Sounds mean.
Oh, it's mean. There's some cool stuff in here.
I'm climbing in.
Oh, traction control.
There is some cool stuff in here. Oh, my seat's manual over here.
Manuel. Oh.
Only the driver is cool enough to have an electric seat.
Hi, everyone. I'm cool. You heard Jake saying.
Sure, that's what I meant.
That's exactly what he meant.
Well,
Jake, if you had a cassette tape and a CD and didn't know which one you were going to do, you can do both in here.
I was about to mention that, yes. This is kind of in the era that we're getting out of cassettes and into CDs, but CDs will never take off. Everyone knows that.
Everybody knows they're
So
dumb.
you got to still have the cassette player just in case they stick around. And yeah, you got your CD player down there. Very nice. It says Ford on it. Very cool. You also have AM and FM radio, obviously. All your radio presets up here. You got your equalizers and volume buttons and stuff.
Does it get it? Oh, it does.
Your AC controls right up here. Easy to use. No screens in this car. like the modern Mustang.
There's a windscreen.
There is a windscreen, I guess, but it's just all physical buttons, which is very nice. And a 5-speed, which gives you a lot of feel and hot shifting action.
Oh boy, does it ever.
Hot shifting action.
I love this thing.
It is a very nice car. This was extremely well maintained. And being a Cobra means that you get a bigger engine, more horsepower. It's not the Terminator that got the supercharger. I think that came a little later anyway.
I think so. 3 and 4?
Yeah, you might have been able to get one in the late 90s, but I don't think so.
Mustang Mark will tell me.
Yeah, but this Cobra with the 4-valve per cylinder overhead cam engine is a really fun car to drive.
Ooh, it's a nice short throat shifter.
I know. Sounds good too.
Oh, that's nice.
And we have electric
3 fingers.
Electric windows.
Oh yeah, we should probably roll them up, huh?
They're electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie. Very nice.
Perfect, man. That was great timing.
Dome light back here still works, of course. I mean, this looks like a showroom quality Mustang in here. I don't see anything that would tell me that anyone has ever driven this car.
Not much.
Not a whole lot.
Wow.
Goes around the roundabout nice. No weird suspension noises or clunks or anything. Just dead quiet.
No, it's really quiet.
With the windows up, it's nice too.
It's extremely quiet, but you can tell once it just run.
I know, the cabin is sealed nicely. Got the vents there for our, oh, my vent is closed. No wonder I can't feel the AC. There we go.
Open your vent.
That's much better. Yeah, you got the Mustang cursive script over here on the dash, which I liked about this generation. Oh, glove box with the original owner's manual, it looked like.
Oh, very nice.
It still has the leather case with SVT on it.
It's fine Corinthian leather.
It's fine Corinthian leather. It's actually very soft. Got the original sticker in here with some specs on it in the glove box. Very nice. Nice horn.
Love a good horn, ladies and gentlemen.
He does love a good horn. Yeah, you got a couple buttons on the steering wheel, it looks like, for cruise control maybe.
Yep, and then there's your road defogger over here.
Nice.
Here, let's move this around. Maybe I'll...
Oh, it's a tilty wheel.
Oh, it's a tilty wheel.
Look at that.
It's like it's never been tilted.
And you got some nice white-faced gauges in the Cobra, which is very cool.
Premium fuel only, ladies and gentlemen.
Premium fuel only, and there it is, 17,081 miles.
Oh, it's on the right side.
Yeah.
It's on the passenger side. Well, that's weird. It's not normally where you put the gas tank, I thought, but hey, they can do whatever they want, Ford.
Yeah, you got coolant temp, fuel gauge, oil pressure and battery, everything's perfect. Oil pressure's right in the middle. Coolant's just starting to move. Slightly bigger engine than the GT, so it'll take a minute to warm up. Down here, you got your 5-speed. Like I mentioned, very nice original shifter in this. Your traction control button, big, front and center. Yeah.
But we don't have an ashtray, do we?
I'm sure you would just use the cup holder as an ashtray, maybe.
Oh my.
I don't know, but this is a lighter in case you want to take up smoking. But don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes, and this will have no problem smoking tires with the amount of power it makes.
Makes a lot of power.
Got a little cubby right here for storage, of course. Nothing looks like it's ever been put in it.
And for $99, man, this is nice.
Looks like the rear window defrogger.
Oh yes,
it's right there.
That is a light. This is the rear window defogger.
Well, this looks like,
what is that? Oh, is that for the mirrors?
Oh, is that fog lights?
It might be the frog lights. We're gonna have to check that out. When you roll back after flybys, let's do that.
It also has the Mach sound system.
Oh.
You see that on the speakers? Mach, what does it say? 460 sound system.
Whoa, not 360, but 460?
Yeah, whatever that means. I'm sure it's nice.
Oh, I'm sure.
Let's see, we got AM, FM radio.
Power's over here.
Oh, yeah, turn on the power.
This guy can't fight this feeling anymore.
Very nice. Oh, here's the bean test. Speakers are good in this thing, though. Not that you'll need them, because you'll listen to this the whole time.
Wow. It wakes up at 5th by 5,000 RPMs. Holy cow. Let's slow it down, baby. Wow. Yeah, this is quicker than I thought.
This thing revs to $7,000, which for a V8, for a V8 from the 90s is insane.
Wow, that's crazy. I didn't even notice that.
I know.
But it's a whole different car at 5. Wow, yeah. It sounds completely better.
But it makes all that torque, so you don't even have to rev it that high to have fun between 3,000 and 4,000. This thing's taking off too. It's so quiet with the windows up. The cabin is nicely sealed.
And the air conditioner kicks serious booty.
It does. I mean, American cars have the best air conditioning systems.
It's because we have a very warm climate around here. It's been hot and muggy.
It gets warm here in America.
Mm-hmm.
And we like comfort.
Amen.
All right.
Let's put the e-brake on. Let's turn this bad boy on and see what it shows us.
I know.
I'm a little curious now.
I want to know what this thing sounds like from the outside now,
it's going to sound great. Here, I'll back this up for you because you're not sure.
Let's do some flybys.
All right, let's do it. Fast one. God, that sounds great. It's refined. It doesn't sound all crazy. The new ones are loud. I like the S550s, but they are loud. Although I do love the Bullet car, but who doesn't? This is a really nice car. For $99, it is awesome. Here he comes. Cruises, it moves. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll put you back in your seat. I know it's only 320 horse in a world of 1,200 horsepower Corvette ZR1s, but our ZR1X. ZR1's only 1,000. I can't even believe I'm saying that out loud. Doesn't even seem normal. I really thought they'd be flying by now, to be quite honest, but it's just crazy what they're doing with these cars. But I think 320 is about exactly where you want to be. Very nice. Oh. Well, she got up and went, didn't she?
Yeah, she did. It drives like it just rolled off the showroom floor, too.
And it's not loud. I mean, you can hear it, and it's definitely a nice V8 rumble.
But it's kind of nice, because when you have the windows up and everything, it's not droning or anything. It's not making a whole lot of racket. But it does sound very nice.
It does.
Not that I would know how this would have driven new, because in 1999, I was 1 year old. Well, actually, I was a newborn. I was born in July.
Why don't you just stop talking about it, Jake? It's a great. No, it sounded just like this. It's a nice car.
Yeah, it's a great car. You want to take it back?
I told everybody I think 320 is about the perfect little sweet spot for horsepower.
Yeah, it's
in
still,
the world of 1,000 horsepower.
It's still fast by today's standards, I think.
Absolutely.
But it's not trying to kill you, which is nice.
It just wants you to have fun, and this car's fun.
Exactly. You want to take it back?
Let's go.
Let's do it.